Stop buying those cheap cars that leave you stranded on the roadside and cost a fortune in surprise repairs. We know the fear of throwing away your hard-earned money on a vehicle that constantly breaks down. That kind of stress steals your peace of mind. But what if we told you there are certain used cars, often overlooked by the masses, that expert mechanics themselves quietly choose for their own families? They buy the cars built for the long haul, the ones with simple, time-tested engines that laugh at the thought of the check engine light. Today, we reveal 5 secret legends that deliver extreme reliability and low maintenance, allowing you to feel genuinely smart about your purchase. We've dug deep into data from trusted sites like RepairPal and Consumer Reports, along with the hard-won experience of those who work on these machines every day to bring you the best-kept secrets for your next 200,000-mile companion. This isn't about fancy features. This is about traditional engineering and getting that legendary longevity you deserve. Our first secret car, quietly beloved by those who fix them, is the Kia Sorento 5.6, specifically the 2016 through 2020 model years. For families needing space without the anxiety of a major mechanical failure, this is your hidden gem. The biggest financial fear for any buyer is throwing money away on a bad transmission or a complex, failed turbocharger. This Sorento completely avoids that trap by utilizing a recipe for reliability that a mechanic trusts. A naturally aspirated 3.3-liter V6 engine paired with a conventional 6- or 8-speed automatic transmission. This is traditional engineering. No fussy turbos, no questionable CVTs that worry owners and mechanics alike. This powertrain is known for its smooth performance and, more importantly, its durability, which is why it often flies under the radar. When we talk to experts and look at longevity studies from sources like iSeeCars, the Kia Sorento stands out as a vehicle that can reliably cross the 200,000-mile mark with basic maintenance, just oil and filters. The V6 offers the power you need, and its repair complexity is generally low. Annual maintenance costs are highly predictable, removing the constant fear of unexpected bank-breaking repairs. However, even the best vehicles have minor quirks. On these Sorentos, watch out for minor electrical gremlins, like issues with the parking brake switch, or some occasional rattles in the interior trim after years of family use. These are simple, manageable issues that don't compromise the core mission. A reliable vehicle that gives you peace of mind and the feeling that you made a genuinely smart purchase. This Sorento is a smart, economical SUV that can easily join the 300K club without drama. Next up is the car for those who crave a classic, enduring luxury experience without falling into the trap of modern, disposable engineering. The Lexus IS 350, covering the 2015 through 2020 model years. We understand the deep frustration when a luxury badge translates directly into expensive shop time. The IS 350 is the strong, reliable exception. This sedan is a luxury smart buy because it uses the legendary, naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine, 2 GRFSE/FKS. This engine, combined with the conventional 6- or 8-speed automatic transmission, is exactly the simple, robust powertrain a mechanic recommends to achieve extreme reliability. This is a proven platform that laughs at the high mileage concerns plaguing many of its European rivals, giving you the ultimate peace of mind. Data consistently shows this Lexus powertrain has a remarkably low repair frequency, making it a favorite for those aiming for the 300K club. You get the premium look, the comfort, and the quiet cabin, fulfilling the desire to be respected for your choice, but you skip the anxiety of massive repair bills for complex turbochargers or fragile electronics. In terms of minor issues, the IS 350 is refreshingly minimal, usually limited to minor wear items like suspension bushings after extensive mileage, not catastrophic engine or transmission failures. This Lexus delivers the low-drama ownership experience of Japanese engineering, offering true luxury for less and allowing you to feel genuinely intelligent in your purchase. Our third hidden champion for the mechanically savvy buyer is the Ford Taurus, focusing on the model years from 2015 through 2019. We know many of you have a strong connection to American tradition and crave that feeling of a large, robust sedan that was built to last, not the fragile, complex machines. The Taurus, particularly with the non-turbo setup, delivers on this desire for a car that offers simplicity. The engine that makes this Taurus a secret mechanic's buy is the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 Duratec, paired with the reliable 6-speed automatic transmission. This combination is a classic, robust platform. It's low on fuss, easy to maintain, and its components are widely known and accessible for basic repairs, minimizing your time and expense at the shop. This addresses the deep-seated fear of being dependent on complex, expensive maintenance. When you buy a Taurus with this powertrain, you are making an intelligent choice, valuing longevity over flash. It allows you to feel proud and smart about your purchase. However, remember to check for potential minor issues, especially with the control arm bushings after high mileage, which are common on heavier American sedans. But these are small, predictable costs compared to the peace of mind offered by this simple, tried-and-true American engine. Moving on, our fourth choice is the Acura MDX, specifically model years 2015 through 2020. This SUV is the perfect answer for families seeking a premium experience. The luxury, the space, the features, without the overwhelming fear of expensive breakdowns and high long-term ownership costs. The MDX delivers peace of mind by capitalizing on the established trust in Japanese engineering. The reliable heart of this vehicle is the legendary Honda V6 3.5-liter engine, J35Y5, a power plant known for its longevity and simplicity. Crucially, it is paired with a conventional 6- or 9-speed automatic transmission, deliberately avoiding the CVTs found in smaller Honda models that can be a source of anxiety for long-term owners. This tried-and-true mechanical recipe is why expert mechanics often recommend the MDX. The MDX allows you to achieve the desire of luxury for less, offering an upscale driving experience while maintaining a solid track record for reliability and predictable, manageable maintenance costs. You get the prestige and comfort without the complexity. As with any high-mileage vehicle, buyers should inspect the condition of the 9-speed transmission for smooth shifts, and minor reports sometimes surface regarding the infotainment system. However, these small concerns do not compromise the MDX's core mission, delivering legendary reliability and the feeling of making a truly intelligent purchase. We are dedicated to finding only the cars that bring true peace of mind and prove that older engineering is superior. If you are proud to own a vehicle that has already passed the 200,000-mile mark, show us. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so we can continue to uncover these secrets of longevity. And most importantly, share the story and mileage of your car below, because this community is built on tradition and experience. Our final vehicle is a true hidden gem that strongly appeals to those who value nostalgia and tradition. The Infiniti Q70, specifically the 2015 through 2019 models. In an era where most luxury sedans have moved to complicated turbo four-cylinders, the Q70 is a steadfast reminder of when Japanese cars were simply built to last. This is the definition of a dependable, sub-valued luxury sedan. The secret to its extreme reliability lies under the hood. It retains the legendary, naturally aspirated 3.7-liter V6 engine, paired with a conventional 7-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain is one of the most robust V6 setups ever created, famous for enduring high mileage without catastrophic failure, making it a dream for mechanics and a shield against the fear of expensive maintenance. When you purchase a Q70, you are making a deliberate statement. You know how to find high quality at a low price, fulfilling the desire to feel intelligent in your purchase. While minor issues might include easily fixable items like worn interior buttons or simple sensor failures, the core mechanicals, engine and transmission, are remarkably solid. The Q70 offers incredible performance and luxury without the typical luxury car anxiety, providing genuine peace of mind and proving that the best cars are often the most traditional. We've recapped our list. 5 cars that mechanics secretly buy, proving that solid engineering and tradition always guarantee peace of mind and help you avoid the fear of throwing money away. Choosing any of these models ensures you made an intelligent purchase and can, without drama, join the longevity club. If you value simplicity and extreme reliability, comment below which of these is your favorite, and most importantly, share your car's story and mileage, because this community is built on your experience.